Hi, I just wanted to take a minute away from actually doing the course to talk to you about it and to show my appreciation really. So if like me, you are looking for a way to generate good quality leads, so more interest in the services that you offer, this program is absolutely incredible. So clients and automation, I'm in the middle of it right now, loving every second. The content's incredible. It's easy to understand. It's easy to take actions. You know exactly what you're doing every step of the way. The support from the team and Ed himself is absolutely second to none. And as a a happy little bonus, there's a great community of us going through the program at the same time, and that really money can't buy. So uh, don't stop and think about this for too long. It's an incredible opportunity. Really, really highly recommend it. Yeah, invest in yourself, invest in this program. You will not regret it.